Hey, what's up? It's Brian and Philip from IGN and Nintendo Voice Chat. Now, you probably have a Nintendo Switch by now. I hope so. If not, you should get one because there's a lot of really cool games. Philip will tell you all about them in another video, hopefully someday.
Yes, definitely.
That's our jobs here. But your Nintendo Switch is designed to be brought all over the place, on the airplane, on the train, in the car, just walking down the street, whatever you're gonna do with it. And you probably want to keep it safe, but to do that, that doesn't necessarily always intersect with the world of style, I'd say. There's a lot of Switch cases out there, right?
Oh yeah. I mean, we've seen a ton of Switch cases, everything ranging from big, bulky rubber ones to smaller, thinner, like cloth cases. Yeah. But here, we actually have some, I would like to call them high quality, upper echelon Switch cases. Yes, the high end of Switch cases. Now these are 3 different Switch cases made by a company called Waterfield Works, and they're located in San Francisco, California, which is extremely convenient for us because that's like, I don't know, not too far away from us, like right down the street. Yeah,
and I think you hit the nail on the head, right? They make sort of products for the distinguished gentlemanly or gentlewomanly Switch player.
Yes.
There are a lot of cases out there that have, I'll be blunt, you know, there's a lot of ones out there that have like very colorful, happy designs all over them, and those are great because video games are fun and cool. But sometimes you want something a little more, you know, esteemed.
Yeah, something a little bit more serious.
A little bit more professional.
Something you could pull out on a plane and not look like a child with.
Exactly.
Yes. Yeah,
so tell me about these cases. We have 3 of them here, right? So let's go down the line.
Yeah, so we kind of have the small and then the medium on Brian's side, and then we have the large one. So let's go from small to large. Right here we have the City Slicker case. Now this is my personal favorite case of the Waterfield Works Switch cases, and it's very cool because it opens up sort of like a an average Switch carry case. And inside it's extremely soft, and it's got just enough room to fit your Switch inside, and as well as 5 games. I believe it's got 5 game slots right there.
And so is that leather in the front? Like it's like a really nice material. It's different than what, like, you know, you would normally see your Switch games in like little plastic carrying cases or little sleeves. It's a lot sort of more professional feeling and looking.
Oh yeah, this is like very high quality leather, and on the back side as well, you can see it's got this canvasy material, so it's very protective and it's going to keep your Switch protected. And I like that they also included like additional pockets here on the back for any cables that you might want to carry with you as well. So that's the City Slicker case, which is very nice. But moving on to the arcade case. Let's take a look at that one now.
Yeah, so this one's got a little bit more room. It's got this cool sort of, and I think the last one did too, but magnetic, look at that, just claps for you. Nothing on the back, but all the storage from this guy basically happens in the front pocket and on the inside. Now the inside is incredibly spacious. It's got these 2 sort of deep wells. Now, what did we try? We tried shoving Pro controllers in here. Those pretty much fit.
Right, so it'll fit your Pro controller in there as well as a Switch.
Yeah.
But the thing is, if you do want to bring a controller with you of any sort, whether it's a grip or your Pro controller, you're gonna have to take off the Joy-Cons and then slide the Switch into the front of the case.
Give that a shot.
Right.
Okay. Oh, right in the front.
Yeah, and that front little
I see what's going on here.
tab right there. There you go.
I dig it a lot.
And then you got a ton of space actually inside of the case for an additional power bank if you'd like, or if you want to double dip and carry your 3DS with you, you can totally do that too. So it's a very functional case.
Yeah, I'll point out that this also came with a strap in case you want to have it over your shoulder, make it look like a fancy camera bag. What's this one go for again?
I believe that one is $109.
Okay, cool. Got it. And now the biggest of the bunch looks almost like a canvas bag or laptop case. Let's talk about this guy right here.
Yeah, so this is the Multiplayer Pro case. And now this case is designed to actually carry not only your Switch, but your dock and your entire home console setup with you. So it's perfect for parties, it's perfect for events, or just when you're traveling with your entire setup. And it's got room for everything and more, which is really, really nice. So it's gonna conveniently place your dock in there. It's got room for a Pro controller and a grip, as well as like an iPad or even a small laptop if you want to fit one in there as well, too.
Yeah, if you want to do voice chat.
Yeah, and I can't stress enough, the insides of these cases are extremely soft. The material is very like velvety, so it's actually meant to keep your Switch protected, or the screen of your Switch protected, and avoid any additional scratching inside, and kind of cleans it actually a little bit when you take it in and out.
And they triple as airplane pillows. If you get sleepy on a flight from playing too much Switch, just put your head right down, just sleep right in there.
Super comfy.
Really nice.
Yeah, especially with that dock packed in there too.
It's so perfect. I love sleeping on a nice cushiony dock.
And this one's gonna run for 150 total as well.
So yeah, this is obviously some very high-end stuff. I mean, you can go to GameStop and get a Switch case for like 10 or 15 bucks, but what you're paying for here is, you know, something that's got a little bit better build quality and obviously a little bit more attractive looking. I'm just knocking my dock over there. So yeah, this one comes with a strap as well. Throw it over your shoulder. So these are from Waterfield Works. Available online, so go check those out. And Philip, thank you so much for bringing these wonderful Switch cases.
Absolutely.
They're very cool. For all things Nintendo Switch and protecting your Nintendo Switch, plus all the wonderful games that are coming to it, IGN, you're already in the right place, so just keep watching.